Hey, what's up everybody? Good afternoon. I wanted to apologize for being late on the Naruto 691 review and on the 690. I was about to do that but because I had a lot of things to do that I couldn't, make any video or so have on my main channel or on my cooking channel or here. I just decided to do it right now. So we started off with Naruto and Sasuke having the ultimate skill, Rikudo Chibaku Tensei sealing up Kaguya and her little boy, the crybaby boy, Black Zetsu. Now, everybody is tired of that little bitch. Nobody wanted to see Black Zetsu anymore because he was doing the most of the conversation for Kaguya while not doing anything himself in order to defeat Naruto and Sasuke. And this makes me wonder, like, what was his power? Because seemingly he was strong for some reason, but not that kind of strong. Not in the same way of Hagoromo and Hamura, which in this case Hamura and Hagoromo sealed up their mother. So that's kinda, they're kinda strong. And I expect Black Zetsu to be the same, to have the same power. Now there was not much to see from everything until we saw Hagoromo appeared right after they sealed her up, making the Rikudo Chibaku Tensei that was much more different than what Madara and Nagato did, Nagato and Madara pulled out a different Chibaku Tensei, and this was specially performed to seal up the Jubi and turn it into the moon. So now we get two moons. Now the first thing that came up in my mind was like there was a huge difference between Obito and Madara and Hagoromo, because for some reason Obito, despite being, separated from the Jubi, he was still alive, and he was even able to steal some power from Madara and remain alive until, he got kind of screwed after losing so much power, holding off Black Zetsu, who halfly took over his body and made him even perform with his last amount of power, Rin Tensei. And even with Rin Tensei, he was still alive. Can you imagine that? Being ripped off from the Jubi and using Rin Tensei. Nagato died right afterwards. And now we saw that Madara was not to be saved anymore because the Jubi got ripped out of him. Well, in order to compare this, I was thinking that the same thing would happen to Kaguya because she used Madara's body as a medium. But she herself is immortal because she ate the fruit before, and she didn't become the Jinchuriki. So in this case we cannot compare this to Kaguya, and to Madara and Obito. And I want to make a special video about this one because for Obito being this far, what he did, and all the characters, I want to have a different video on them to give my thoughts about this. But for the questions that will rise up, I'm gonna make a different video about that and share this with y'all. The second one, Naruto 691. Well, it was more like a beautiful goodbye, Naruto being a mature, his father saying happy birthday. So everything happened actually in a one and the same day from the moment they started war until Madara became the Jubi Jinchuriki, etc. So this case we got to see a lot in such a short chapter. Naruto being a hero together with Sasuke, Kakashi having good leadership, losing his eyes. So like Obito said, it's gonna expire. So we saw that he used the Mangekyo Sharingan to its max until it was worn out and he will never be able to use him anymore. However, he does have good leadership skills, so I wonder if he's going to participate to be a Hokage. And yeah, furthermore, he was about to say something that would maybe piss me off, but he corrected himself when he said that he was about to look for somebody that would be like his mother as a wife. I think he was more like thinking about, hey, I want to say Sakura, but she kept on rejecting me. So I hope there's gonna be a Naruto Hinata moment for these two, and that Naruto is gonna, you know, go for that. Go for her. I mean, after all, she was every time by his side. She never rejected him so ever, and she's dreaming about him. And as far as Sasuke concerned, what's gonna happen to him afterwards? You know, is he going to be now a member of the Leaf? Is he going to follow with Orochimaru somewhere, or is he going to be alone now? He wants to revive his whole clan, so will that happen? Those are the kind of questions that got me wondering. And another thing that got me wondering is, why the fuck did Minato promise a surprise for Naruto, but we never saw that? I mean, if the other half of the Kyuubi was a surprise, then we should have seen that he would say it explicitly, you know, that he would explicitly say, Naruto, I got a surprise for you, it's the other half of the Kyuubi chakra, so you'll be much stronger whatsoever. But we haven't seen that, so what was the surprise Minato had for Naruto? I really want to know that, because we haven't seen it in an explicit way. But yeah, that's all for my little review. Sorry that I didn't do it earlier. You're gonna see me doing those things much earlier. And I also got a video prepared for y'all soon about the difference of the looks that will make you a lot more attractive. So keep in touch with my channel, stay tuned, thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day.